All right, guys, Captain Paul here, and today, super excited, we're gonna head off to see the Greenline that we're getting on next. Supposedly they're gonna launch it today and give me a few instructions on how to engage the electric motor and the diesel motor. I've been on one of these. I've been on a bigger one. This is a 39, and then also I found out this is brand new. This is it was built in 2024, and it was used as a factory demo for the last year. But it's they're selling it as a brand new 20, never been owned before yacht. So super excited about the Greenline. We just checked on Melanie and Larry. I hope you guys will enjoy those videos as much as I did making them, and I got to see Duke, so I'm super excited about that. I'm going to stop by and have dinner with them on the way home. We're going to go over the planning, and hopefully he has some of the bids back on some of the work he's haven't done. One of the main things he needs to get done is the 1,000-hour service. So anyway, Monday we're out here on the Greenline, and this is just a live update. Hopefully we'll get on the actual boat that we're going to be on Monday doing America's Great Loop training on, and we'll be able to share that with you guys. But today we're just going to go out there, and supposedly we're going to get to drive the boat. We'll see. I've never been down this walkway before, or this riverway. This is the Fort Lauderdale Riverway. Been down the Miami one, but I don't think I've been down this one. So Greenline, sorry, is right up here. So here's the Greenlines. This is a 45. And let's see what size this one is. I've been on one of these, like I said it earlier. And I think it was that's the 48. I think I've been on the 45. So this is the 39 Greenway that we're getting on Monday. We're doing some yacht training. It's a big 39. Looks like they're finishing up the bottom job. Stern thruster, props. Night or yesterday they didn't launch the boat, so here it is, 6 a.m. I'm in Fort Lauderdale still. I ended up spending the night at a hotel, and they're supposed to launch this thing this morning. There it is right there in the slings as I make the corner here. The boat actually looks pretty for a 39. I'd be curious to see too, because some of the comments I read last night and some of the things is how it doesn't have the passenger seat for the co-captain on the port side. So they're supposed to be dropping this in the water here this morning. It's something to do with a bridge closure or something, why we had to do all this like this. This is some tight shit here. Tight situations. I've been in some very tight situations, but nothing like this. You want me to send you that picture? So we brought it over here, literally just across the street Everything drives just pretty much like a regular boat. No big deal at all. Getting excited. On Monday we start. So guys, I want to show you this real quick because that's where we just had to take the boat, and you have to go through those little pylons. We couldn't make it through that one, so we had to switch and go through those two. Then you have to flip up and around, and then we go up underneath the bridge. It's a very tight maneuvering. I don't know how they get these big ones in here, especially with, well, I guess with the twin engine would be no big deal at all. Just a live update. I'm leaving the Greenline, heading back down to, actually I'm heading back over to the Silverton right now. I'm going to meet with Larry, see what's going on, look at the schedule for moving that, and then head back over to the house. And then I got a special interview with Rolanda and Eve. How many guys remember those videos? Anyway, the Greenline looks very exciting. One of the things that's cool about it is it doesn't have a generator. It uses its main motor, is the generator in it, as well as propulsion. So when you're in the hybrid mode and your battery runs low, you can start your generator, or you start your main engine. You run with that engine for a little while. That charges your batteries up, and you can run your air conditioners off of the main engine while it's running. So super cool, excited to learn it. And that happens next week. You guys should see those videos. Patreons will see them soon. You guys will see them. The regular public will see the videos probably in about 2 weeks. Anyway, peace out. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next boat. God bless. Peace out, and remember, live life with no regret. I do. Thanks.